energy is essential to our everyday life. It heats our buildings, lights our streets, and powers our companies. But as the world is growing, so does our need for cleaner and more efficient energy. And to achieve that, we need better and more innovative energy products. And that has been our mission for more than 125 years. We make cables and provide solutions to the world's power grid that have been engineered to last and perform in any environment and any situation, every time, every day. Across the many countries where we operate and thousands of projects in which we participate, this is who we are and how we deliver lasting value for our customers. Our medium voltage cables are the result of more than 100 years of experience with engineering. By working closely with our customers, we have created cables that are safe, highly durable, and easy to install. That is why our cables are used as an essential part of the power grids that provide electricity for towns, factories, and communities across the many countries we work in. It's about dependability and our customers' trust in our commitment to deliver reliable solutions. We honor that trust every time.
We're in Sweden, in the south of Dalarna, and here we have 12 projects. We're putting this 10 kilovolt overhead lines, go down in the ground.
Over many years and thousands of miles of cable, we have worked with Vattenfall to help modernize the vast grid of Sweden. In this case, to make sure that a falling tree will not tear down the power lines during hard weather, which would impact thousands of people in the local communities. We put great value in these long-term relationships where we enable our partners to deliver a reliable service to their customers. We like to call this trusted partnerships. No matter the project, no matter the country, one thing stays the same: our dedication to providing true value to our customers with the services and products we provide. It is our customers' needs and our ability to provide them with safe and reliable products that keeps us innovative and keeps driving us forward. We take pride in being an essential part of the world's power grid and are passionate about designing sustainable energy solutions for tomorrow. We go wherever we are needed. High sea, the mountains, or the big city, we are there, making sure that every cable, every connection, every termination works perfectly. We are NKT, and our passion brings power to life.